there is two students. If there is two students, then it is sufficient. We don't create noises in the classroom. Okay, just do the one. So now, see,
Okay.
for Aisha, we are trying to solve this, right? So here, suppose this is one triangle. Okay, suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. And suppose this is another triangle.
Sir, again voice problem, sir.
Okay, just wait. There is internet problem from my side. Now, how is my voice now? How is my voice? Is it okay?
Our voice is
Voice is not clear. Okay, first you mute, and whatever problem you are facing, write in chat box. Otherwise, it will be disturbing. Okay. Otherwise you will not listen properly. Write in chat box whether voice is not clear or not. Whether voice is clear or not, just write in chat box.
Sorry. Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay, okay. It will come. It will come. Just write in chat box. Just a second, it will come. Okay. Just a second. Wait. Just a second. How is my voice now? Is it okay? Write in chat box. Okay. Don't turn on your microphone. How is my voice now? Is it clear? Is it audible to you? Just write in chat box. Okay.
Sir, voice problem.
Are you sure? Okay. How is my voice? I hope it is clear now.
It's clear, sir.
It's clear. Okay. Now see, if angle B and angle Q are acutangles. Acutangles means what? Angle less than what? 90 degree. Any angle less than 90 degree is called acutangle, right? If angle B and angle Q are acutangles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, we shall prove it. So what is given? We shall write. Given that sin B is equal to sin Q. This is what it is given. Okay. So we need to prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay. Now tell me, what is sin B? Sin B. Now just look at this. Just look at this triangle. Just look at this triangle and tell me what is sin B. Sin B means what? Sin B means what? Sin B means sin means our perpendicular by hypotenuse. So our perpendicular is what? AC. AC by what? AC by AB. Is it clear? And sin Q. What is sin Q? So the value of sin Q is what? PQ perpendicular of this PR by PQ. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. PR is perpendicular in that case. PR by PQ. ठीक है सर? Okay. Whatever it is, see. Now just concentrate on class. Okay. See. So this is now. Can we write it equal? If you can you write equal to K? Say K equal to K because these are ratio SC by PR by PQ. Am I the only one who is having voice problem in voice? Just wait. Okay.
Sir, now it's clear.
Now it's clear. Okay, it will be clear. You know, sometimes there is because of network issues from my sides. Maybe it's not clear. Otherwise, everything is okay. So now suppose is equal to K. Okay. So now SC by AB is equal to PR by PQ is equal to K, suppose. Okay. So what can we write? Now, what can we write? We can use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of BC. Okay. We need to find the value of BC and RQ. Why shall we need to find the value of BC and RQ? QR. So see, just see BC square. We can write like this. So for this triangle, this is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Okay. So we can write like this. From triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, AB square equal to AC square. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. That means what can you write? BC square. BC square is equal to what? AB square minus AC square. Okay. So BC will be what? BC will be root over AB square minus AC square. Okay. Now from triangle PQR, we can write PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. Okay. Now QR square is equal to PQ square. Now QR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, PQ square, sorry, it will not be plus, it will be minus. PQ square minus QR square. Okay. So that means QR will be what? QR will be root over PQ square minus QR square. Now, I have found the value of this. See, found the value of this, right? BC. Why shall I need to find the value of this? Why shall I need to find the value of this? Can anyone tell me? Because here you can say that SC by AB, PR by PQ, SC by AB and PR by PQ. Now, if you know this value, we can prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay. How can we prove that? We can prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay. And after that, we can prove that hence angle B is equal to angle Q. That's why we need to find the value of BC and QR. Okay. Now, BC by QR. Let me do it with another color. It will be better. Now, BC by QR. BC by QR. Value of BC is equal to what? Value of BC is equal to AB square minus AC square. Value of QR is what? PQ square. Now, this is very important question. PQ square minus QR square. So now we shall put the value of this. Value of AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to what can we write? PQK, right? AB is equal to PQK. So AB is equal to P or K PQ. K PQ whole square. S is equal to PR. S is equal to K PR. K PR whole square. S is equal to K PR whole square. And in denominator, it is PQ square minus QR square. So we can write like this. Here it will be K square PQ square minus K square PR square. So here PQ square minus QR square. Now we can take common K. It will be K square. We can take within root. We can take K square common. So ultimately it will be PQ square minus PR square. So here it will be PQ square minus sorry, it is not QR, it is PR. PQ square minus yes, it is PR square. Let me just correct it. It is PQ square, right? PQ square Q square PQ square minus PR square. Here it should be PR. right? It should be PR. Okay, let me just correct it. PR square, here also PR square, here it will be PR square. So here it will be also, it will be here. Okay, so now here it is also PR square. So what can we do? I'm just writing here. So ultimately BC by QR equal to what? See, it will be K square, and here it will be PQ square minus PR square. So here it is what? PQ square minus PR square. Now this K square, this PR, this will get cancelled out. So BC by QR is equal to what? K. And this term will completely get cancelled out. This term and this term will get what? Cancel out. So it is K square, right? So root square, root and root, square and square root will get cancelled out. So BC by QR is equal to be K. Now, see, Blackpink so blank. See, what's your name? You should not enter in class with different name. Okay. Now, see, this is about suppose 1. Okay. And this is our suppose 2. From 1 and 2, what can we say? From 1 and 2, can we say that SC by C? From 1 and 2, what can we say? So from 1 and 2, we can say that okay. Okay. See now from 1 and 2. 1 and 2, what can we say? See, SC by AB. Just try to understand why we find the value of here. SC by AB is equal to, it will be SC by AB equal to SC by AB. SC by AB equal to, yes. SC by equal to PR by PQ is equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. Now can we write it? Can you rearrange it like this? Can we rearrange it like this? SC by PR. SC by PR. Can we rearrange it like this? SC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. Now observe this. Now observe this and tell me. See, SC by, this is SC by what? PR, ratio of corresponding side, ratio of corresponding AB by PQ and BC by RQ. That means what? Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? Therefore, we can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. Is it clear now? Do you have any confusion, any doubt? You can ask me. If anyone is facing any confusion, any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, you should write yes, yes. Okay. Otherwise, it's clear. Tanvir, is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Now let's move on to next. On next question is, কোনটাই এটা ভিডিও লেকচার ভাই পরে আমি রেকর্ড করি also I am recording this. You can find it in YouTube. You should not worry. Okay, you can find it in YouTube. You shouldn't worry. You can write it later also. Don't worry. Okay, just try to understand first, and if you have confusion, you can ask me. Next, see, consider triangle ACB. This is a triangle ACB. Right angle at C, in which AB is equal to 29 is given and BC is equal to 21 units. Okay, angle ABC is equal to theta. This one. Determine the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta, which is very easy. Okay, so now let's try to understand how it is very easy. Okay, see, So what can we write? See, in triangle ABC, right? If we apply Pythagoras theorem, we can write what? AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Can you write like this? So see, we don't know the value of AC. So we are just trying to find the value of AC. So this implies AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square. This implies AC is equal to root over AB square minus BC square. Now what is the value of AB? Yes, BC square. Now a value of AB is 29 is given, right?
29.
And value of BC is 21. So 29 square minus
sir.
21 square. So what shall we get? 29 square means 841. Yes, 841. And 21 square means 441. So it will be ultimately what? It will be root over 400. That means what? 20 units. Is it okay? Okay, now that means we have
Yes,
found
sir.
the value of S is 20 units. Now it will be easy to find the value of, now see, let's solve one. Cos square theta. So cos theta, now cos square theta plus sin square theta, right? So cos theta means what? Base by, cos theta means what? Base by hypotenuse. Our base is what? 21, right? Why 20? This is base because this is our theta, right? Angle attached to side attached to adjacent angle, right? Side attached to this angle is called base. So cos theta is means what? Base by hypotenuse. Base is 21, hypotenuse is 20 whole square. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse, means 20 by 29. So it will be 29, right? Base by hypotenuse, 20 by 29. So now see, 29 square is our LCM, 21 square plus 20 square. So it will be ultimately 21 square means 441 plus 400, and it means 841. So it will be 841. 841 by 841. That means ultimately 1. Ultimately it is 1. Do you have any doubt, any confusion in this? Any student? To কোন doubt আছে নি? কোন doubt আছে কইও। এখন দেখো নাম্বার 2। নাম্বার
Yes sir, আছে বেদান আছে।
কিটা ডাউট কো? Shariar, Tanvir, what is your doubt?
স্যার আমার কোনো ডাউট নাই।
Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, Shariar. Someone says that Vedant doubt আছে। What's the problem? See, write it in chat box. Okay. Whatever the problem you are facing, you should write in chat box. You should not turn on microphone and you should not share. Okay. Because otherwise there will be noises in the classroom.
Network problem বেতালা problem और हमें तो left रही है।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, okay. Write in chat box. Whatever problem you are facing, write in chat box. So now question number 2. This cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta. Now, what is the value of cos square theta? See, the value of cos theta is 21 by 29, right? 21 by 29 whole square. The value of sin square theta is 20 by 29 whole square. So ultimately, it will be what? 29 square is the LCM. It will be what? 441 minus 400. So it will be what? 41 by
41.
841.
41 by
10.
Okay, now let's move on to next. Okay. See, in a right angle triangle ABC, let's draw it. In right angle at B. That means this is our B, this is our A, this is our C. ABC, if tan A is equal to, that means this angle. See, now you could tell me, I will now know who has understood properly. Okay. Now verify it. We are told to verify. So now tell me tan A is equal to 1. So given 10a is equal to 1, that means what? Now 10a, what is the value of 10a? Tell me. 10a means what? Perpendicular base. In this case, in this triangle, which one is perpendicular? Tell me. You can write in chat box. Which one is perpendicular? In this triangle ABC, which one is
AB.
perpendicular? Not AB. No, AB is not perpendicular, right? Perpendicular is always opposite to the angle we consider. The opposite of we consider this angle. Now opposite of this angle is BC, right? And base is attached to the angle we consider. So this is base. Okay. Is it clear now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so 10m is perpendicular base. This is our perpendicular, this is our base, and this is our hypotenuse. Perpendicular by base, that means BC by BA equal to 1. That means what? BC equal to BA. Now it is very clear. If BC equal to BA, that means this angle is 45 degree, right? Isosceles right angle triangle. Do you know what is isosceles right angle triangle? It's very easy, right? BC equal to BA, that means it is isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, that means this is isosceles. This is 45 degree. This will be also 45 degree. Okay. Now we shall verify this. Okay. So twice sine A cos A. No, 2. What will be the value of sine A? What shall be the value of sine A? So what shall be the value of sine A?
আল্লাহর কসম তার বয়স কিচ্ছু শোনা যায় না, খালি চাপসা চাপসা হয়, কিচ্ছু শোনা যায় না, দুইবার হামায় লেফট মারি আর
Okay, Sharia Reni. Okay, how is my voice now?
not clear,
It's clear, sir.
Okay, Shariar, maybe network, there is network issue from your side. Okay, because Anisha is saying it is clear from our side. From her side, it is clear. Okay, so you check it. Now see, okay, now see, sine A. Sine A means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse means BC by SC. Cos A means what? Base by hypotenuse, right? That means what?
Yes, sir.
AB by
AB by BC.
SC,
AB by SC.
right? So now, do you know the value of BC and SC? We don't know the value of this side, right? So we shall try to find the value of this. We shall try to find the value of this. Okay. So here, can we find the value of this from this? Can we find the value of this from this? Okay, from 10A we shall find the value of this. 10A is equal to what? 10 is equal to 1. So AB is equal to BC is equal to, suppose it is K. Okay. These two sides are same. Now, suppose it is what? K. So we shall try to find the value of from this. Okay. What is the value of SC? So SC will be what? SC will be SC square is equal to, SC is hypotenuse, right? It will be AB square plus BC square. Now value of SC is suppose what? Why we have considered K? Because these are equal, right? K square plus K square. It will be what? Twice K square. Ultimately, it will be root over 2K. Ultimately, it will be root over 2K. So, not SC will be root over 2K. Okay, SC will be root over 2K. So, hypotenuse is root over 2K. Remember that this K is not within this root. This K is not within this root. Right? Okay. So, this is our K. This is K we have considered. This is K we have considered. Now, see.
স্যার আমরা মাত্র দুইটা হাবলেন গেছুন গিয়া, পুরোটা স্টুডেন্ট না।
Okay, no problem, no problem. It is, just extra class. I told you I am not forcing anyone, but you have to attend regular class. This class is for only those students who want, who have been doubt, who want to clear their doubt. Okay, want to clear their doubt because the exam is knocking at the door. I think most probably from 17 or 18 August, half yearly or midterm exam will start. Okay. So.
Bye bye. Good night, sir.
Okay.
Good night.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir, class की automatic leave हो जाए.
Okay. Okay. See, just now mute your speaker, and if you want to,
তানভীর শয়তানি করিস না বেটা
okay. Otherwise, I will remove directly. Okay, Tanvir, you will be removed from group as well. Don't worry. You know, I told you don't disturb in the don't disturb. Okay, if you don't want to attend class, leave it. You are not forced to attend. So now BC, the value of BC is K. Whatever the value of AC is, value of AC is root over twice K. Similarly, the value of AB is K and AC is root over 2K. So now in numerator it will be K square, and here it will be root over 2 into root over 2, that means 2, K into K, that means K square. Now it will be equal to 1. So verified, hence verified. Hence verified. Okay. See, I will just solve example number 5. Then after that, I will give homework. I will explain some problem of exercise 8.1, and after that, I will give homework. Okay. So now, see, this is very important example. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, OP is 7 centimeter, and OQ minus PQ. That means this OQ minus PQ is given 1 centimeter. Determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. Okay. Now see. So now in triangle OPQ, see what can we write? This is our hypotenuse, right? OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. So OP, the value of OP is what? Value of OP, can you tell value of OP is what? 7. Okay, it is given, right? What about OQ? OQ square. So OQ. Now see OQ from here, it is given also this one, right? From here, what can you write? It is given that OQ minus PQ is equal to what? 1. That means OQ is equal to what? 1 plus PQ. So we should put that value. The value of OQ is 1 plus PQ and whole square. OP square plus. It is given, right? OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. That means OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Now this PQ will go in right hand side as plus PQ, right? Minus PQ is equal to plus PQ, and we have put the value of OQ here. Okay. Now, if we break, this is A plus B whole square. So 1 plus twice PQ plus PQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square. So this PQ square and this PQ square will get cancelled out. It will be what? 1 plus twice PQ is equal to OP square. Okay. Now the value of OP square is 7. 7 square, ultimately it will be what? 1 plus twice PQ is equal to 7 square, that means it will be 49. So that means twice PQ is equal to what? 49 minus 1. 49 minus 1, that means what? 48. So twice PQ is equal to 48. That means PQ is equal to what? 48 by 2. Right? 48 by 2. That means PQ is equal to
24.
Okay. Now we have found the value of PQ, it is 24. Now what will be the value of OQ? What will be the value of OQ? We can find from here, right? OQ is equal to what? 1 plus value of PQ 24, that means 25. Value of this is 25. Now we can find the easily value of sin Q. What is the value of sin Q? Sin Q will be what? This is sin Q. This is sin Q, right? That means this is our what? This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse, and this is what? Base. Sin Q means perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means 7 by 25. Okay. Sin Q means 7 by 25, and cos Q means what? Base by hypotenuse. Which is our base? Base. This is our base, right? That means
by 25.
Okay. 24 by 25.
Right.
Now let's move on to exercise. So this is homework. You know, Tanvir, mute your microphone. Mute your. It is better mute. Okay. Now this is homework, and I shall explain it how. See, just what will you do? You have to draw a triangle like this. You have to draw a triangle like this. Okay, right angle at B. Right angle at B. And this is A. This is B. And this is C. So AB it is given 24, BC is 7. So you need to find, using Pythagoras theorem, find the value of AC. Okay. When you will find the value of AC, you can find the value of sin A. You can find the value of cos A. Okay. Similarly, you can find the value of sin C and cos C. Okay. So this is homework for you. Just find the value of AC using Pythagoras theorem, and then you can find the value of sin A and cos A and sin C and cos C. Okay. So you should submit this homework tomorrow. Okay. Next. This one, find 10p minus quarter. So just trying to first try to find the value of QR using Pythagoras theorem. Then you can find the value of 10p and quarter, which will be very easy. Using Pythagoras theorem, find the value of this. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem, find the value of QR, because value of this is given as well as this is given. Just find the value of QR using Pythagoras theorem, and then you can solve it. Next, if sin A is equal to 3 by find cos A. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So suppose this is our triangle, and this is suppose A, this is suppose B, and this is suppose C. Okay. So now sin A is equal to 3 by 4. That means sin A is equal to what? This is our right angle. Sin A is equal to what? You can find sin A is equal to. So this is our what? This will be perpendicular. This will be base. This is BC by CA. Okay, BC by CA. So now you can consider which is 3 by 4 equal to K equal to say like this. Then BC is equal to what? BC is equal to thrice K. CA is equal to 4K. You can find the value of A is hypotenuse. Okay. Then after that you can calculate the value of cos A as well as tan A. So these three are your homework. Okay. Now for today it is up to this. Okay. Up to, I have just given 3 problems. Okay, just try this 3 problem. Anisha, just try this 3 problem. This question number 3. Question, okay, you know, if you do more problem 4, 5, 6, 7, no problem. But try at least this 3. Okay, and tomorrow I shall explain this 3.
Actually, you have explained earlier in our hostel. That's
Okay,
why
okay.
I'm telling.
Okay, okay. So just try. It will be revision for you. Okay. So just try this one. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay. So thank you everyone.
Okay, sir.
So for today's class, it is up to this.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.